My video is about getting rid of the browser notifications that are related to the site Testserverlp.pro. If you see these pop-ups by the site Testserverlp.pro, keep in mind that such alerts are absolutely faulty and deceptive. You should not interact with them. These pop-ups are tried to make people click on a special allow button supposedly to help them continue their browsing, but it's a mistake to do that because as soon as the allow button is clicked, the browser would be hijacked with multiple and very annoying advertisements that would be displayed in the form of web push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on allow, you should definitely fix your browser. Access the menu, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, Site Settings, go down to Permissions and Notifications. Now pay attention to all the websites that are allowed to send notifications. If you find this Testserverlp.pro, click on this button and remove the junk site from the list. Don't hesitate to delete other deceptive sites from this list. Now, to make sure that your system is free of any other possibly hidden threats, I do recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data protected. The premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the website combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and start investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.